It's September 19th, 2017. It's 12 noon Hawaii time. I was just checking out the map here. I noticed there's been some significant quakes. California had one, Illinois, and then Mexico again with a 7.1. Here you can see where the epicenter is, right in the middle. And the impact statement, 561 people called in. This happened about 4 hours ago. You can see some people called in reporting very strong shaking. And you can see the shake map here. The color shows very strong shaking. And here's the 3.8 that happened in Illinois. You can see where the epicenter is on the impact state. You can see 894 people called in reporting the shaking. And then there was a 3.6 by Los Angeles. You can see the impact statement, 8,720 people called in reporting the shaking. You can see where the epicenter is right here. And the shake map. Everyone have a good evening. Aloha.